Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. And if you're tired of messy drawers full of tangled cables like me, this travel organizer bag by DDgro is a total game changer. First, it keeps all of my accessories neatly organized. It has multiple compartments so I can easily store my charging blocks, cables, SD cards, power bank, even my external hard drive. So no more digging through random drawers to find the right cord. It's all in one place, easy to see and grab. Second, it's the perfect travel companion. When I'm heading to another country and need different charging adapters or I'm carrying multiple devices, this bag makes it super easy to stay organized. It's lightweight and compact, so it fits easily in my backpack without taking up much space. Plus, it's sturdy enough to protect everything inside and water resistant, which gives me peace of mind if I ever get caught in an unexpected rain. So whether you're a frequent traveler or just want a better way to manage your everyday tech gear, this bag is a smart, practical addition. And that is my point of view.